Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer data with Salesforce step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner. Click on Sales from the list of available applications. Next, locate the Accounts tab on the main interface. To add a new customer, select the New button in the upper right corner. Fill in the necessary fields, including the customer's name and relevant details. Scroll down to add additional information such as address and contact numbers. Once you have filled in all required fields, click the Save button. To manage existing customer data, select an account from the list. Inside the account, you can view and edit information as needed. To add a contact for the selected account, scroll down to the Contacts Related list. Click on New to create a new contact associated with this account. Input the contact's information, then click Save to finalize. To view customer interactions, navigate to the Activity tab within the account. Here, you can add tasks, events, and notes for better tracking. To analyze customer data, use the reporting tools found in the Reports tab. Select New Report to create a customized report based on your requirements. Choose the relevant report type and fields you wish to include. Once your report is configured, click Run to view the data. To share the report with your team, click the Share button and select your sharing preferences. Regularly review and update customer data to ensure accuracy and relevance. Utilizing Salesforce effectively will enhance your customer relationship management efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.